Guys, this is Reema and I'm a social media marketer, and today we are going to talk about hashtags. If you know how to use Instagram, Twitter, then hashtags are very familiar to you. But you need to know how to place it strategically, or else you cannot benefit from it. So as a digital marketer, you cannot ignore the fact that hashtags help us to reach to a larger audience. Okay, so you may ask, like, larger audience, won't my post reach to to people if I don't use hashtags? Definitely you will, but hashtags lets you to be tagged on certain topics so that the target audience will easily find you in a better way. Suppose you are posting something related to food, like food tip or like healthy food tips or whatever the thing is. Okay, if you don't use a proper hashtag like healthy food tips, it might be like the target audience may not find your post easily. It will be a bit difficult for them to find your post. So if you use a hashtag like that over there, it will be much more easier and faster and smoother for them to find you and follow you, so that way you can increase your reach in a better way. So use proper hashtag in your post and help your brand to reach heights, to reach success, and get proper exposure and proper engagement of your post in social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So yeah, that's